Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I'm going to show you a small haul. I recently went to Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Hobby Lobby and Target. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's let's get into the haul. Alright you guys, so starting with Dollar Tree, I am going to start with a few things I picked up that were from their Christmas section. A lot of things are still not out yet, and also my Dollar Tree doesn't have a lot of new things out. I think only 2 things are new for me, but I am going to start with the ornaments I picked up, which are these little cute belt ornaments. I know these aren't new, these have been in Dollar Tree at least last year. I think I did the year before, but look how cute these are. I only picked up 2 of these. I'll put them right here. And this is the only new thing that I haven't seen at Dollar Tree, these little cute stocking ornaments right here. Last year I did a Christmas tree and it had 2 little legs coming out at the top, and those I found those at Walmart, but now Dollar Tree is carrying them this year. These other ornaments are not new. I know these have been around. This one says peace and the one that says joy, which it has, this is mine, but these right here. Now I'm going to show you the greeneries I got from the Dollar Tree. Are these frosted greeneries. I got some of these, and then my favorite ones are these right here that have these little white berries. And some eucalyptus. The only thing I really don't like about these is that they have so much glitter. But other than that, I absolutely love these. These are so great for some neutral farmhouse Christmas decor. I did pick up this little DIY snow globe, which I'm going to attempt to do a snow globe. If not, I'm going to use it for a DIY. Also, I also picked up these little cute little buckets that look like Santa's little pants or coats, or I don't know, but they do look Christmassy. Another thing I picked up was these little cute gift boxes. They're gift boxes, but I'm gonna DIY with them. 2 come in a pack. As you can see, there is a smaller one in here and this one right here. They do have like a bigger version, but it was only 1. Moving on to some wood things that I picked up from Dollar Tree is this DIY ornament, which is this sleigh. This is new. They have 2 different ones, but I only got this one because the other one was like different. And I think this is the only wood Christmas thing that I got. More ornaments are these right here. I'm not sure if these are new, but I got these 2 right here. They're cute. And I also picked up this decor right here, this snowflake with this little truck. I also picked up a few garlands, these little pine cone garlands and these little bell garlands. And I picked up 2 different LED lights, these little gold ones right here. As you can see, they're cute. And these regular ones right here. The next thing I will be showing you are some fabrics. I finally found fabric at Dollar Tree, especially this one right here. This is the buffalo check I've been wanting for a while. I also picked this one up right here, and this one right here, can't really see it. I can open it for y'all. It's this little fabric that has little trucks. Oops, sorry, that's my microphone. This fabric right here is so pretty. It has these little mini trucks. Look how cute this is. All right, now moving on. The last Christmas thing I got was this right here. It says eat, drink, and be merry. And on the other one says baking spirits bright. Or baking spirits bright, yeah. Right here. I have more Dollar Tree things, okay guys? But the next Dollar Tree stuff I'm gonna show you are some galvanized things. They are Christmas, 2 of them. These are a ornament right here, and I also got this little Christmas tree, and that's it. I got more galvanized, but Christmas is only these right here. And I also got this little thing right here. I don't know if it's a pie thing or, you know, the Coke thingy. And this little house right here. I found another one which is a little bit different, but this one doesn't have the stand and it's a little bit bigger. So I got one of each. Oh wait, I got one more Christmas thing, which was underneath these all things. Wait, another one. These 2 right here are like a bigger version of the other ornaments. These are bigger and these are actually harder. The other ones are more flimsy, which they're right here. See how they're like more flimsy? Guess you can stuff them with something to make them a little bit harder. But these little cute things. Put them back on the floor. And some more galvanized stuff is these little letters. You do have to get 2 different packs to get the entire alphabet. Half come in one pack and the other half come in the other pack. The next stuff I'm gonna show you are some of my favorite thing I got from Dollar Tree. Is some wood. I know. I was so happy when I finally found some wood craft. So I am going to show you some of the few things I got because it did have some different ones. They had these 2 little ones right here. Some more wood. These 2 right here. Look, these are like half of this. They basically cut this and said here. And I found some wood slats. They do come in 3 different sizes: 12-inch, 10-inch, and 8-inch. My favorite ones are these planks, which they have 2 different sizes. They have a 10-inch and an 18-inch. Or actually not 10-inch, 12-inch and an 18-inch. You can see the difference. Oh my gosh, I keep saying one more thing. I know one more thing from Dollar Tree, which is Christmas, is this little box that I cannot wait to craft with. And that is it from Dollar Tree. Now moving on to Target. I only did pick up 3 things, but I still wanted to show them to you. Starting with my favorite things, which are these wreaths. I picked these up from the dollar spot. They were $3 each, and they are from their Harvest collection, but I think these can still be used for Christmas, my opinion. What do you guys think? And I also picked up these little houses. It's a 3-pack for $5. Wait, oh my gosh, I forgot to show y'all. These little wood houses come from Dollar Tree as well, and they are $1. They were underneath these, that's why I couldn't see them, but I knew I was forgetting something. But I do want to show you the difference between these 2. The Dollar Tree one is a little bit bigger, but the ones from Target are thicker, and they have these little thing. I don't know what's it called. Chimney? Yeah, chimney. And that is it, guys. That is it from Target. Now I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh, that is. I have more things from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna continue with Dollar Tree, okay? Because they are underneath this. Oh my gosh. It's actually some of my favorite things I picked up from the Dollar Tree, which I finally found, were these peel and stick removable wallpaper. I only found 2 different kinds, which were this wood planks and these right here, which are my favorite. More Dollar Tree stuff. Buffalo check. I found this plate. They have more different things, but I only picked these 2 things up, which is this and the placemats. And finally, guys, I'm gonna finally show you the last thing I got from Dollar Tree, which I finally found, are the calendars. I found 3 of them. I have already used 1 of them in my recent video, but I also found this one. This is Farmhouse, and this one that has the little mason jars. And finally, that's all the Dollar Tree stuff I got. Moving on to Dollar General, I only got 3 things, which were this right here, this little wood plaque, which I love. It's only $2.50, and these little craft fur, a white one and a brown one. Now I'm gonna show you the only 2 things I got from Hobby Lobby, which were these right here. This $3.99, but it was 40% off. This is Joy to the World. 3 come in this little pack, and these little wood ornaments, which are $3.99, and they were 40% off. So yeah, and that is it, guys. I think that is it. Let me just look around just in case I missed something, because knowing me, I probably did. I don't know if you guys want to see some stuff. I got these last year. You know how Christmas, after Christmas, you go to Walmart and you find everything 50% off. I found these little things right here. I found this right here, which was $10, but I got it for like $4 because it was after Christmas, after they put like 60% off or something like that. And that is it, guys. That is it for my haul. Please stay tuned. I am going to start my Christmas DIYs next week, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. Until next time, bye.